What's going on, guys? Matt here with Preferred Auto. Welcome to the official Clear Coat Goat YouTube channel. This has been long anticipated and we are excited to announce, finally, we are going to try to simply document some behind the scenes footage. Whatever we do, we're gonna start recording it, put together some badass videos, while hopefully getting some DIY and educational purposes.
All right, guys, so here we have a brand new Porsche Taycan in the shop. A1 non-metallic black paint. This thing is slick, but as you can see, it's seen better days. Just love marks everywhere, swirls, scratches, you name it. We actually had some bird poop etching from what it looked like on the very rear hatch, but nothing that a solid paint correction and polishing service typically can't fix. So let's grab some tools. We're gonna start with a Meguiar's extra cutting disc. We have a Rupes 5-inch backing plate, just nice and slow, 1 inch at a time.
That's what she said.
Much experience, and always finish it up with a nice finishing polishing pad, polish combo. There's a few different pad polish combos out there, but just find one that finishes down for you and your vehicle and go from there. Let's check for results on this thing. It really did come out amazing. These curves were definitely fun, sarcasm, but check it out.
Stay tuned, there's so much more to come.